In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Stripe. To get started, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps the main account and product configuration options, so it's the right place to manage payment methods. From there, open Payments under Product Settings. Inside the Payments section, select Payment Methods. This page shows the payment options that can be activated for your Stripe account, and it's where you'll enable Afterpay, which may also appear as Afterpay/ClearPay depending on your region. In the Payment Methods list, use the search function to find Afterpay/ClearPay. When it appears, click on it to open its settings page. Before turning it on, take a moment to review the availability and eligibility requirements. This is important because access to Afterpay can depend on factors like your business location, the currency you use, and the types of products or services you sell. Reviewing these details first helps avoid setup issues later. If your account is eligible, click Enable. Stripe may then prompt you to configure additional settings. If so, go through the available options carefully and choose the setup that fits your business needs. The exact settings can vary, so it's a good idea to read each option before moving on. Once everything looks right, save your changes. After that, create or open a payment link, checkout page, or invoice. The goal here is to confirm that Afterpay is now available as a payment option in one of the payment flows you actually use. Check the payment method list on that page and verify that Afterpay or Afterpay/ClearPay appears as an available method. As a final check, complete a test checkout to make sure everything is working correctly. This step helps confirm that customers will be able to select Afterpay during checkout without any problems. If it doesn't appear right away, double-check the earlier settings, make sure your account meets the requirements, and confirm that the checkout method you're using supports that payment option. Once your test is successful, your setup is complete, and you're ready to start offering Afterpay through Stripe. Thanks for watching.